Hello everyone. Today's video is about the plumbing in a new construction home. And I will start from the line that's coming from the meter, and then that is the main water valve that going inside the house. So here you will see the line going inside. This is the side of the garage. So I'll show you that line from the inside. Now I'm inside the house. This is the side of the garage. So this is here where the line coming from the outside to the inside, and then it runs to the PIX pipe, blue line for cold water. So that blue line, all the water lines, they run through the ceiling or the attic. So we're going here and then above the garage, and then it goes all the way there. That goes inside the house, and then it got branched. We also got one branch that goes to the water heater here, and then we got the hot water also go inside the house because the water heater is not installed yet, but it will be here down there. So at least we can get the main hot water and the main cold water going inside the house. This is just like separation between the garage and between the interior. We're gonna talk about that when we talk about framing. So we try to isolate the inside and the outside for the heat transfer. So now going inside the house, let's follow. Now these are the two lines, the hot and cold water. So they get in every place. You see the two main line right there. Then you got branches. So we have branch them down here. This is the laundry area. So we have, this is for the washer, but this one here is for the fridge, but it's going to the, this is the wall separating the kitchen from the laundry. So this goes to the fridge. And you see also the gas line, which also comes from the outside. So also you see the branches also coming from the ceiling. So you see how the main line is still going there, and then it goes that way. And also there's another branch that going that way to the kitchen. So let's go to the kitchen and I'll show you how it is. This is the kitchen area. So here is still the main blue line. It goes that way. I'll show it to you momentarily here. And then some branches, they're coming here down, and then splits. One goes here, that's the one that I showed you before. This is for the washer, and that is the cold water line that goes to the fridge. It's right there. Then you will see the line still goes here, and then it comes that the sink is not in the kitchen on this side, but it goes in the middle island. So what we have, so the hot and cold water that they go here in this pipe, and this pipe sleeve goes under the concrete, and then it comes out here. So now we have the hot and cold water coming here for the sink, which is going to be in the middle island. You can also see here we have the drain. Then we have the drain for the dishwasher and also the drain for the sink. Right there you will see the vent pipe, and that vent pipe go all the way, and then it's connected to eventually it goes up to the roof. So you see the vent because we have the vent line here for the washer. So you see that vent of the washer goes in there. So you will see that here, that line goes up there to the roof. All right? Then follow that main water and cold water and the hot water. Those are still the main two lines going to the other side of the house. However, there's a small connection here. We do have here what you call like the bar area, where we have another sink here. So that line is coming right there, and it is connected to the main hot water and cold water. So that's how it is. And also I will show you here how this is here, the drain for the sink on the bar area. Following to, we have another bathrooms. So we have one bathroom here, which is like the guest bathroom. They have bath or the powder room. We also have here, this is the line for the flush tank. And also it branches out that we get here hot and cold water for the vanity, the sink. All right. If you want to see how things are in detail, the drain, you can pause the video and you can keep looking. At least you can get more information how it's done, so at least you will have very good understanding of how it works. Then, like what I said, these are the two main line, hot and cold. Then the branch, one goes to another bathroom right there, and here's the master bathroom. So here we will have two sinks, vanity area here, which is going to be in this side, and then same thing we have here. This would be like a freestanding tub. So the water is coming also from the top here, and it's coming right there, and then it comes out to here. So it would be like the faucet will be coming out, and then it just like it goes to the freestanding tub. That's at the drain for the tub. And also here we have a walk-in shower, same thing. So you'll see the vent pipes, and also here the hot and cold water connection. So also all coming from the top. And this is definitely, this is the vent line. Last area that we have is the last bathroom between the bedrooms. We're going here to the bedrooms. So same lines, main lines, now it branches to the last spot. So as you can see here, this is the hot and cold water coming in here, and then the branch, and they go here to the shower. Here we have a drop-in tub. So you see this is the hot and cold water lines, and then we have another branch here that comes to the flush tank for the toilet. Then last branch is we have here, so it goes up hot and cold water. We have also the branch, and they go to sinks. This is pretty much like what you see, and also when you look, you see how the drain is, and then you get the vent pipe as well. Something I forgot to show you here as well in the master bath. I'm going back here, which is the line coming from the AC. This line here, this coming from the condensation line. So that condensation line would be connected to the drain. So this way, any condensation that goes to the sink, well, I'm on the other side of the master bath. So you will see that how it's connected. This is pretty much like how you can see how the pipes are connected, and how the water line and the sewer line and they are being put together. Next video, I will walk you through others, the framing, and also other items as we keep going. I'll see you in the next video. Please follow us on our channel, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and also give us your comments, and I'll see the comments, and maybe we can respond to your comment as we go. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on another video. Bye-bye.